Hi friends, this is amazing, truly amazing, spectacular landscape in Kalahandi. I am at Hello Point in Swamul Rampur, and you can see the sweeping landscape, and this is actually a suicidal point. And I have not seen anywhere in Odisha such a beautiful landscape. And it is like I am just falling in love with this place. You can see such a beautiful landscape, the plains of Kalahandi from here. It is almost 800 meters above mid sea level and densely forested. And and this stiff, I mean, you can't go beyond this. And there is an interesting story about this place, why it is named, why it is called Hello Point. Because this is the place, though nowhere you will find the signal, the mobile signal, but you find here, you get all the mobile signals. That's why it is called Hello Points. And this is truly amazing. I mean, and this is like for nature, for adventure, for culture, for heritage. I think all aspects of tourism one can cover at Swamul Rampur. And this is what I wanted to share.
এই জায়গাକୁ ବି ସୁଇସାଇଡାଲ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୁହାଯାଏ। ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ କି ଏଇଠିର ଯେଉଁ ଆଦିବାସୀ ଲୋକମାନେ ସବୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ କି ନାଇଁ, ସେମାନେ ବାରହାକୁ ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ, ଗୋଡ଼େଇ ଗୋଡ଼େଇ ଆଣିବେ। ଗୋଡ଼େଇ ଗୋଡ଼େଇ ଆଣିଲା ପରେ ବାରହା ଚାରିଆଡ଼େ ଜଗିଦେବେ। ଜଗିଦେଲା ପରେ ବାରହା ଆଉ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଇପାରେନି। ସିଏ କ'ଣ କରିବ, ଏଇଠୁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଡେଇଁ ପଡ଼ିବ ତଳକୁ ଆଉ ସୁଇସାଇଡ୍ କରିଦେବ। ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଏଇ ଜାଗାକୁ ସୁଇସାଇଡାଲ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କହନ୍ତି। ଆଉ ସେମାନେ ସେଇ ବାରହାକୁ ଆଣିକି ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଭୋଜି କରିକି ଖାଆନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ।
Hi friends, we are on our way to Rampur Swamul. It's a small kind of, it's a hill station in Kalahandi, which is least explored from the tourism point of view. And we are on our way, and it takes about 1.5 hours to reach Swamul Rampur from the nearest city, Bhavanipatna, which is also the district headquarters. So this place is extremely scenic. You can see the mountains of Satpura and Eastern Ghats. Here is the meeting point of Satpura mountain and Eastern Ghats. You can see the extremely beautiful mountains full of vegetation. This is actually the beginning of monsoons. Friends, I am Jitu Mishra, one of the co-founders of Sarana Educational and Cultural Services. Today we are at Thuamul, Rampur, and this is at the height of 800 meter in Kalahandi district. And you can see the spectacular mountains around me, and also the mountain top agriculture, mostly paddy, which I will be showing you now. And this is in Kalahandi district. This is one of the major watersheds areas. And this is the rural heartland. You know, this is inhabited by the tribal communities, the Kon tribal communities, one of the Aboriginal tribes of Odisha, and they live here. And you can see the beautiful countryside. Ma, tama na kono?
उपासी नहीं
Huh?
उपासी नहीं
Upasi nai. Ko gaon tamaro?
मैं ये घर ना पकड़ा गाता
Pokra gata.
ये गयो थे मैं
E gaon tame ocho.
हाँ
Acha. Au kete ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ତମର?
पकड़ा मैं गिटार
ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉ ଅଛି, ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପାଉଁଶ ଅଛି, ଏଇଟା କଣ ଏଇଟା?
ठाकुरानी के देला ठाकुरानी देला
ଏଇଟା ଠାକୁରାଣୀ ଦେଲା? ଆଚ୍ଛା, କାହାକୁ ଦେଲା? କାହାକୁ ଦେଲା?
आमर रामपुर एरिया ने आम गछ मन खूब अच्छे बहुत अच्छे तो से आम गछ मन कहाँ जेनरली खरा से आम पाची पाची कर तले पड़लेगा खाइसु आगु आम तुली कर ताके औषध पत्र दे करी आम केबे नै पचू तो आम जेतके ले पाची कर तले पसी खाइ सारले सेटा को आमन के पकै देसु पकै देला परी खत मन पड़ी करी से धीरे धीरे ऑटोमेटिक गछ ही जेसी सेटा आमन के निकर आम जमी बाड़ने लगाइसु जदी आम के आगु तुली कर जदी आम खाइमु नै पाचबा आगु बोले एटा गछ नै होय बोली करी आमर बुढ़ा जमान सब लोग कहला परे आम चिंता हिसाब का पाचला पर का तले पड़ले का खाइसु आ गछले लगैसु
Hi friends, I'm in one of the chokes in one of the central places of the village. You know, it's a choke surrounded by houses, and you can see how beautifully they have made the, you know, so much of clean and so much of, you know, purity in the land they have. So this is all about the village choke, which you can see here.
पचला आम बसार एटाकू गोरी एटाकू गोरी रुके छ इटिया का रुके बाकू एवं
এটা সোডা করা হচ্ছে কি?
हां
अच्छा।
ई जगह रेखा
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
আগে ইটাই গলাকু কাটি দেলা শুকাই দিছে লাল কাড়লে ছোপে ছাল
Friends, this is amber soda. It is called. This is made from mangoes, and it is mixed with molasses. And this is how they make. And this is I am in the village. This is actually sweet, and I am going to release it. It's super delicious. But केमती कॉलम दिया गया?
बुड़ो आंब पतला आंब को कुटी देमु कुटी करी तार रस को इट पकाई देमु से जूस को हां जूस पकाई दे इट पकाई देमु सुकाई देमु इतकी मोटा हेले तबले हे जाउची सब ताको आ पागो दो
अच्छा
तो आ लंका जीरा मसला इटा सब दे करी आ पागो
हाँ 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 कितने दिन लगेगा करिया पे?
लागे मासे
गोटे सप्ताह को एते मोटा है
गोटे सप्ताह को ती है
आपका कापड़
ये बहुत बढ़िया. Friends, wherever you go, you must try the local food, and this is such a delicious, delicious food. I mean the local food, which is made from the mango. It is sweet. It is super delicious, and you must try this. And this is part of the indigenous food heritage. And hardly we talk about, you know, such kind of food we have in Odisha as well as in India, the local food, and a lot of labor also is put in for this, and there is a lot of love and warmth when you meet the women folk here, and there is so much of love and respect, and this is what I am enjoying, and this is what is the beauty of slow travel, and also in the rural heartland of Odisha as well as in India. I am really enjoying it. I am having a little more bite. This beautiful. in the old palace of Swamul Rampur. Actually, this was owned by, this was constructed by the Naga kings of Kalahandi, Bhanipatna. And this area is a tribal dominant region, and it's also located at the height. So this palace was mainly constructed, to have meetings with the tribal communities, to hold various kinds of meetings with the tribal communities by the king. And this is in a dilapidated state now. It is being converted into a court building by the state government of Odisha. So you can see around the palace, which is now doing, and how this work is going on, the renovation work is going on. So let me take you to the first floor as well, and from where you can see the bazaar of Swamul Rampur, and just beside me is the Manikeshwar temple. So we are going to see also the Manikeshwar temple. Manikeshwar is the favored deity of Kalahandi, and during Chhatrapuja festival, that is held in the month of October, in the month of September, October, during Dussehra, the whole Kalahandi comes together at Bhanipatna. Here also there is a miniature version of Chhatrapuja, and hundreds and thousands of goats, sheep and goats are sacrificed by the people of Kalahandi for the Manikeshwari, for their deity, for their mother goddess Manikeshwari. So that's a spectacle of blood, and so that has been, even the Supreme Court has banned this festival, but still it is there. So that is what is all about Manikeshwari and Chhatrapur and the Chhatrapuja. So let me take you to the first floor. ना कौन जयंती जानत्री ज्ञानत्री जानसी